Hi, I'm Dylan from FT Niger, and welcome to Introduction to Fundamental Analysis. So, what is fundamental analysis? Well, in investing and trading, fundamental analysis is that act of looking at a currency pair from the bird's eye view. At this height, we can monitor the forces of demand and supply of a currency as it relates to another currency. In other words, we can know who has this currency most, who needs it the most, and therefore, what are they going to pay to change hands? In order for us to look at these forces though, we need indicators, economic indicators to be precise. And these economic indicators will give us the relative strength or weaknesses of an economy, which determines the price of a currency. So, if we know how strong or how weak an economy is, we'll know the forces of demand and supply and whether the price of a particular currency, whether the price of euro, whether the price of dollar, Canadian dollars, whatever that you're seeing on these charts is undervalued, overvalued, or fairly priced. Using these indicators, we will know whether this price that we want to enter into for our trade is a good one or not. The importance of fundamental analysis. See, the longer your trade is, the more important fundamental analysis is. A day trader has little need for fundamental analysis. They're more on the technical side, which is covered in another video in this learning app. But the longer trader, that monthly, weekly trader, he's paying attention to economic news. He's looking at inflation rates. He's looking at GDP. He's just looking at all these factors that you hear on the news, this big grammar. And he's thinking about it. He's assimilating it in order to place a trade that will take weeks, months to reach his take profits. Also, some differences. The longer trader, the one that's using fundamental analysis, his lot sizes are much bigger. I wouldn't necessarily say his profit is bigger, by the way, but they're looking for bigger swings in the markets. It's not that you will see the euro dollar move 2 pips and then you now put your take profit 5 pips. No. His own is much larger and it takes a longer time to execute. So, demand and supply. Very important concepts in fundamental analysis. Let's say, for instance, you need Canadian dollar. What determines the price of that Canadian dollar is how badly do you need that Canadian dollar? Is it scarce? Do you want it for something valuable? Or is it available? Is it everywhere? Does everyone have it? See, the more the Canadian dollar is needed, the higher the value of Canadian dollar. On the other hand, the less that it is needed, or the more that it is supplied, the more that it's in abundance, as in everyone has it, the lower the value. So, I'm going to walk you through other indicators, other concepts briefly in this introductory video course. So just pay attention to the next video. I hope that you're able to understand this high-level overview of basically just getting into what's important about fundamental analysis. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.